So hey Brad, you'd asked me to cite anybody else that's using the user intent architecture. As it turns out, Jeep is starting to use it, as is Ram, and they're doing a pretty good job of it. As you scroll down their page, you find out what you're looking. Now let's take a look at the Wagoneer. We've begun our journey. We scroll down the first page. You'll notice a lot of H2 headers, so you can scan down a page and find what you're looking for with good, useful SEO content, well written, that allows you to continue your journey. So let's take a look now. Let's say we want to look closer at the Grand Wagoneer. So we're in a Grand Wagoneer's page, more specifically. We're going down the funnel. Let's just say that we want to learn a bit more about capability. So we're going to click on capability, and that will allow us to continue our journey into learning more about what the Wagoneer's capabilities are. Once here, we probably now want to learn a little bit more, so we're going to take a look at comparing the different models. So here's the different models. Well, once you go through the different models, you'll want to continue your journey as to where you can find them and who's got them. So this is very, very similar to what we did a couple years ago with our homepage. And what I'd like to do is now cite an example of the information that I emailed you the other day. Let's take a look at the Wagoneer dealerships. This is SEO content. It allows a person to want to continue their journey. And here's our page that allows people to compare the difference between the Wagoneer and the Grand Wagoneer. Of course, there's our evergreen video with Tom's favorite music. And as we scroll down the page, we get down to, let's take a look at how we can learn more about it through alternate videos. And then how about a little online shopping? So now we go to the Griegers online shopping tutorial page. And as we continue our journey, now that we feel a little bit more comfortable using these useful tools, it's time to look at some 360-degree inventory. Here's a vehicle that maybe we might want to look at in virtual reality. So this is an example. I'd like to do the whole website this way, but it starts with the home page and then we'll continue on. And oh, take a look at this. As far as forward thinking, looks like they finally caught up with this as well. And here's some other cool stuff to end the video. Thanks a lot for listening. And you guys have a great day. I hope you had a good weekend. Take care.